Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is TARMEEM. I hope you guys are doing really well and that you're taking care of yourselves and your families in the current times. For those of you who are new to the channel and new to me, I would take a moment to say hi to you and I post videos every week for you guys. So if you're in, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all the videos that I keep making for you guys. Well, talking about this video, I'm back with the part 2 of how to look taller and slimmer. So, like you would have already guessed, it was in the previous video that I spoke about close to 7 points wherein, the basic tips and tricks that you could use to look taller were discussed. In this video, I would be taking it from there on and I would be discussing more such tips so that it helps you to look taller and slimmer and smarter. So, here we go. Tucked in tops create an illusion of a high waist, thus extending your legs all along. They define your waist and also shorten your torso, that is the upper part of the body. So if you see, you can clearly see the difference on the right hand side wherein I've tucked my T. It gives me an illusion of being taller as compared to the left hand side. Guys, I'm personally a very big fan of horizontal stripes. However, I avoid it if I want to look taller and slimmer. A vertical stripe lengthens the body, making you look taller instantly. So if you see, on the left hand side, these horizontal stripes are creating that effect of making me look a little bit stout. Whereas on the right hand side, when I'm wearing the vertical stripes, it makes me look slimmer, thereby adding to the illusion of making me look taller. A wide belt is a great fashion statement, but if you're on the petite side or if you want to look taller, you must avoid it. It only exaggerates how small you are, plus it creates a horizontal line that has an impact of a wider frame. So if you compare both the sides, you'll clearly see the difference that on the right hand side with a thinner belt, I'm looking taller. Just because on the left hand side I'm wearing a wider belt, it gives me an illusion of being wider than I actually am. So if you want to look taller and slimmer and still go for a belt that is slim. Going monochromatic is a simple yet chic trick to visually add inches to your height. Wearing the same color on the top and bottom without too much contrast creates a long line. That is, it makes you appear taller. So if you see on the right hand side, I am wearing a black on black. That gives me a long line and hence it makes me look taller. As compared to the left hand side, wherein I am wearing a contrasting top and bottom, my frame seems to be divided into two parts and that takes away the illusion of being tall. Nude shoes are a classic in every way. They can be ideally paired with any outfit and they offer the added advantage of lengthening your legs in a very flattering way. Here's a tip. Just opt for a shade of nude that's most close to your skin tone. So one can clearly make out the difference in both the sides. The side where I'm wearing nude shoes adds a little bit of extra height to my frame, whereas on the left hand side, the color of shoes just take away that illusion of being taller. Wearing pointed shoes is one of my favorite ways to look taller, put together and chic at the very same time. It elongates the lower part of the body, that is your legs, and it is an instant height enhancer. So if you notice, it is quite clearly visible that on the right hand side, the pointed shoes elongate my frame. Whereas on the left hand side, if you observe, you see that the shoes limit my frame somewhere. Crop trousers are trousers that are cut a little above the ankle. It gives the impression that you are too tall for your trousers. This instantly adds inches to your height. So if you compare both the sides, you'll clearly see that on the right hand side, I appear to have a frame that is taller as compared to the left hand side. That was a video on looking taller and slimmer. So I really hope that you use all of these tips and tricks on a daily basis and it helps you look taller and slimmer and really stylish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.